Right, hello everyone. It's a quick update. I've just about finished. You can't really see it because it's dark. Welding in there, welding along the bottom, sills, outer wing, all the inside there. Just done the brakes, welding wing, inner wing, sill, bottom sill, a couple of bits on the side here that are a bit shabby, so they're all nice and strong. And that's how I strip the brakes completely. I've just got to get a couple of clips for the front brakes that are missing, and all along the back the inner part and outer part of the back sill was really bad, so that's all been done as well. So apart from that, I mean, yeah, if you sent it for shot blasting, it'd probably come back like a tea bag, but structurally it's pretty sound now, I think. So all I've got to do now is do the clutch. The clutch is oh, bloody bugger, the clutch ain't got a pipe on it. So I'll find out what's cooking there, and see if the clutch works. And if that works, once them clips are in, it can go back to the chap that owns it, and he can do whatever he wants with it. So I'll be glad to see the back of it. Right, don't want to see another British Leyland car again, because I think in the 70s they were buying steel from Russia, I think it was, and God, that was bloody crap stuff. I think everything rusted, just about everything. What's the water looking like? Yeah, that one's replacing completely, but again, that's his job. So anyway, the other bit was all the inner floor in the passenger well was really bad. Might be a bit hard to see in here, but anyway, I've replaced all that, so at least it's got some sort of strength in it. So we'll go put the plate back on where I welded that. So there you go, all good. Right, I'll stick to lawnmowers I think from now on. Cheers for now everybody, see you soon.